Integris Credit Union, in partnership with Agility Forex, is pleased to offer our members an additional way to transfer funds within Canada. To access this new method, navigate to Transfers, and then to International Transfers. If you've already signed up with Agility Forex, you will be able to proceed directly to that method. Otherwise, follow our video on signing up for international transfers. From here, if you have not uploaded your ID, you will be prompted to do so. You must have valid ID on file before you can process an international transfer or a payment between Canadian institutions. You will now see that you will be able to make a transfer. That is if you wish to transfer foreign currency. To transfer within Canada, you would choose Payments. In order to use the new method, you do have to have a recipient where you have chosen the currency of account to be Canadian. It is quite easy to set up. Please visit our video on international transfers to find out how to do this. Once you have a recipient, you simply need to confirm the currency, choose where you would like to debit the funds from, choose the recipient, enter the amount of the transfer. You can make any notes regarding the file, and once complete, choose Get Quote. You will now be able to see that you've chosen an amount of $5. Please note this is a demonstration site only and the fee is not $25. Once you are happy with the information regarding the transfer, simply click Continue. You can now see the item has been processed. You can click on Return to Online Banking, and you can now look at that account to see that the international transfer has been made. It will always show as international transfers, but you have sent Canadian dollars to a Canadian institution. So now you have two ways to transfer money in Canada, through Interact e-Transfers or Payments with international transfers.